Sussex pond pudding, or well pudding, is a traditional English pudding from the southern traditional county of Sussex. It is made of a suet pastry, filled with butter and sugar, and is boiled or steamed for several hours. Modern versions of the recipe often include a whole lemon enclosed in the pastry. The dish is first recorded in Hannah Woolley's 1672 book, The Queenlike Closet. This rich and heavy pudding has gone out of fashion over the years, perhaps due to diet consciousness, although the British chef Heston Blumenthal has served it as part of his campaign to revive historic British foods. A variant including currants is known from both Sussex and Kent. In Sussex this was formerly called black-eyed Susan. The Kentish version is known as Kentish well pudding, a recipe included in Eliza Acton's pioneering 19th-century cookery book Modern Cookery for Private Families. Well pudding was also said to have been the more familiar name for the dish in East Sussex. While cooking, the filling ingredients create a thick, caramelized sauce, which upon serving and cutting of the pudding, runs out and pools around the plate, creating a pond. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.